Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for August 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang if you want to book for a private reading. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see. Ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong August 2024 for Sagittarius? Deep knowing. Pagpapalawak ng iyong kaalaman. Sa kahit na anong interes mo, no? Kasi tayo iba-iba tayo ng interes sa buhay, 'di ba? So now you are exploring more. Oo, yung tipong nag-aral ka ng isang degree, tapos nagte-take up ka ng master's degree or doctorate's degree. So you want to learn more. You will learn a lot more ngayong August. You also have to be fair. Can be a decision making, no? And tinan nyo, ang daming owl. Owl is about wisdom, knowledge. So, maaring meron kang major decision na gagawin ngayong August na nangangailangan ng masusing pag-aaral. And I think you will have the best possible decision for that. You have the 6th house. So that is your work, daily routine. Yung pang-araw-araw mo na ginagawa. This is also about your health, sa iyong kalusugan. So, maaring meron kang major decision na gagawin for your health. Okay? And then, having pets. Kung meron kang gustong maging alagang hayop, no, pets, ngayong August, that's also a major decision. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi na ganun kadali magkaroon ng pet. At mahal. 'Di ba? Para ka nang nagkaroon ng baby. Let's say, kumuha ka ng isang pet na, let's say, aso or pusa na high maintenance, 'di ba? Hindi na siya ganoon kadaling basta na lang, no? Kasi meron silang, you have to take care of them, 'di ba? Chaos and conflict. Oh, I think ngayong August, you will be discovering about who you really are. Tingnan mo, natatakpan siya na para siyang giraffe, pero sa loob niya, isa siyang zebra. Analogy niyan is, you will be more authentic. Ipapakita mo yung totoong ikaw. You're not gonna be someone who will please others. Hindi ka yung tipong babaguhin yung sarili para lang ma-please mo yung iba, kahit na magsasuffer yung sarili mong pagkatao. And this is also transformation. It's like a new version of yourself is coming out. Let's see your overall energy. The Page of Swords. This is learning the truth. Oh, meron kang katotohanang matutuklasan. Ayan na naman yung katotohanang matutuklasan na yan. Masyadong dramatic, no? Can be anything. Pwedeng matuklasan mo ang mga bagay na hindi mo alam pagdating sa pinag-aaralan mo, di ba? Nag-aaral ka ng engineering, may mga bagong knowledge. It's like nurturing your mind, yung isip mo, for learning. There's also a message coming through, no? Pwedeng meron kang importanteng message na marireceive ngayong August. In what area? 4th house sa family, no? Specifically, your parents. Your challenge is the 8 of Swords. You feel limited. Pero, ano kasi yan minsan, nasa isip natin yung limitations. Because of fear, na baka ganito yung mangyari, baka hindi to mangyari, ganon. So, ang nangyayari tuloy, walang nangyayari. Wala tuloy nangyayari kasi iniisip mo kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari. Oo. So, ngayon, you are about to step into a new experience. Your opportunity You have the Knight of Cups. There is an offer. Can be a love offer, romantic relationship, or anything like pwedeng sa trabaho, career, or business na magugustuhan mo tong offer na to. An opportunity to explore itong bagong relationship, trabaho, career. What is this? What is the Knight of Cups? Oh, fourth house, family. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, very specific message. Kung kayo nagkaroon ng problema, misunderstanding with your parents or family members, ngayon may opportunity kayo na maayos yan. It's either kayo yung magre-reach out or yung family member. Your blessing is the Ace of Swords. This is a new idea coming in, a new beginning. You will be blessed by a new beginning. Kumbaga, alam mo yung magsisimula sa'yo ngayong August will bring you blessings. What is the Ace of Swords? In what area? 11th house. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are into social media, nasa public life kayo, you will gain popularity. You will gain more connections. Sa ano rin kasi to, social media. Maaring you will become a leader of a community na magbibigay sa iyo ng opportunities and blessings. What is the Page of Swords? You have the Nine of Wands. Napakalakas ng loob niyo talaga. Ito yung kapag gusto niyo isang bagay, wala makakapigil sa inyo kahit mahirapan kayo. You have the Daughter of Pentacles. Meron kayong gustong subukan na pwedeng bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business, na nagdadalawang isip kayo kasi baka natatakot kayo na mag-fail. But, gagawa ka ng paraan para maging fully equipped ka, no? Kumbaga, you have everything that you need para sa journey na yan. Knight of Cups is the Eight of Pentacles. Oh, some of you, opportunity to sa trabaho, pwedeng may promotion, work, new job offer, new career, collaboration offer para sa inyo. What is the Ace of Swords? The Magician, wow. So as a blessing, yung inyong talents and skills ay blessing yan. This will bring more opportunities para sa iyo to showcase your knowledge, your talents, your skills. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are into social media, mas lalo kayong makikilala. Mas lalong maraming mag-appreciate sa inyo. Okay, for your money, career, finances, Six of Cups. Yung iba, meron kayong babalikan na dating trabaho, career, business, or passion. Page of Pentacles. Yes. Ito talaga yung gusto nyo, no? Siguro from the start. Kaya lang, nung time na yon wala ka pang resources or hindi pa siya practical na gawin. So ngayon, babalikan mo. Babalikan mo na siya. Your love life, you have the Three of Cups and the Five of Swords. Ooh. Sag. Yung iba sa inyo, parang ito yung matutuklasan nyo no? Some of you may learn about a betrayal of a friend. Hindi pala siya totoong kaibigan. Oo, pwedeng yung iba, akala mo, itong kaibigan mo na to is kasangga mo, kabatak mo. Pero hindi pala. Oo. And yung iba, pwedeng ma-involve sa third-party situation. Okay? Magkaroon ng trust issues, betrayal. Oh my God, look at that. Broken heart. So, yung iba, Sag, when it comes to your relationship, mukhang yan yung major issue ninyo ngayong August. If you are connecting with someone, you may experience separation, heartbreak from a person na pinagkatiwalaan mo. Can be a romantic connection, friendship, family. But, this will give you an opportunity to break free, na mas maging malaya ka, no, na magawa yung gusto mo. And yung iba sa inyo magfo-focus kayo sa inyong talento, skill set, mas lalo nyo pang gagalingan. And you will succeed in that field. Uy, free spirit, talaga. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. So definitely there is freedom for you ngayong August, which is something that you really love, no? To go to different places, be more creative, using your talents and skills. So whatever is, kung ano man yung iiwanan yung situation, that's for the good of you. Okay? Para sa ikabubuti mo yun. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.